Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this LL Bean Ridge Runner 22-liter hiking backpack. So this color is the spruce pine / spruce, and I got it from the LL Bean website on sale for $89.99. So the features of this bag, the weight of this bag is 1 pound and 11 ounces. Torso fit up to 18 inches, and this is the plus size, so it fits waist up to 56 inches. So this bag is pretty lightweight, so you can take it for a day hike. The main body is made of a 100D triple ripstop nylon lined with 210D nylon. The back is a mesh covered dual density foam in this back panel, and then the shoulder straps is perforated for breathability, as you can see here. This is the main compartment. I'm gonna open it right now. So the main compartment has a reverse canting zipper for wider opening and easier access. I already have some items here. I've fitted some stuff in here. It's pretty big. It's a wide bag. There is a compartment here. You could put some coins. There is a key holder. This is for a small laptop. There's not a lot of compartments inside. Just this one, an extra compartment, and this one. And there's a large stretch mesh water bottle pockets with integrated tuck-away compression straps. There, this is the compression straps, and that's on each side of the bag. And then there is an ice axe loop with elastic trekking pole attachment, and I think that's here. This one or this one? I think this is the axe loop. And I think you could put something here. You can attach something here as well. And then on the front, additional features. Front shove-it pocket keeps extra layer handy, so you can put like some cell phones, candy bars in the front. It's a very long waistband here, so you can adjust it. So there's one on each side. As you can see, there's one on each side, and it's pretty big. It could fit my Samsung S24 Ultra pretty easily without any problem. There is like an extension here that it could open up a little bit bigger. And then, this is actually the hanging key fob. There is also a sunglass compartment here. So this is the fleece-lined sunglasses or electronics pocket, which is nice. And they have this like nice zipper, so it's easy to open. There is hydration sleeve with Hypalon hydration port. Rest of us sold separately. So that one is over here, the hydration port. So, and there's this last extra container zipper here. So just for miscellaneous items. You can fit some coins, your phone as well. And the last compartment is this one. So there's so many compartments outside, which is really nice. So you can see the bottom looks like this. It expands pretty nicely. So that is our video for today. I hope this video helps. I also reviewed the carbon navy rucksack from LL Bean, and I can link that in the description if you would like to view that as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.